One of the other additions I've recently added is the Aokeo AK-60 microphone. It's that big thing that you see that I'm talking into. Great little toy. Actually, it's a lot more than a toy. It happens to be a very nice mic. It included the mic and the stand and the part that keeps the pops from being so annoying when you do a recording. Nice thing, it also wasn't very expensive. I spent less than $40 on this excellent mic. It might be something you want to add to your arsenal if you do lots of video conferencing, video calls, Zoom calls, any place where you have to use your voice more than you normally would. This makes a great addition. No, I'm not getting paid for this. I bought mine on Amazon, but I suggest you shop for it. As I said, this is the Aokeo AK-60 professional studio mic. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.